The ups and downs of English. Unpacking Face Plant. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into a fun phrase that might sound a bit strange at first. Face plant. If you're ready to expand your English idioms and phrases, then you're in the right place. Let's get started and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. You might be picturing a plant with a face, but in English, a face plant has nothing to do with gardening. A face plant is a humorous term used when someone falls down accidentally and lands face first on the ground. It's often used in a light-hearted or comic context to describe a mishap that's as swift as it is surprising. The term face plant comes from the imagery of someone planting their face onto the surface like a seed in the soil. It's a vivid expression that captures the suddenness of the fall. While it might sound modern, this term has been around for a while and is commonly used in sports and everyday language. Using face plant in a sentence is easy once you get the hang of it. Here are a few examples to show you how it's done. He was learning to skateboard and did a face plant right in the middle of the park. During the race, I tripped on my shoelace and ended up doing a spectacular face plant. Be careful on the ice, or you might face plant. Notice how the phrase is used to describe the action of falling face first in a somewhat amusing way. It's not used for serious falls or accidents. It's important to understand the context in which face plant is appropriate. Since it carries a humorous undertone, it's best used among friends or in informal settings. It's not suitable for formal occasions or serious incidents where someone gets hurt. Sometimes, you might hear variations like, to do a face plant, or face planting. They all convey the same image of an unplanned nose dive onto the surface but can be used in different grammatical structures. I did a face plant on the soccer field yesterday. She's been face planting all day while learning to use her new rollerblades. And that's a wrap on the phrase, face plant. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase to add a bit of humor to your English conversations. Remember, language learning is full of surprises, much like a face plant, but infinitely more rewarding. Keep practicing, and don't forget to laugh at the little tumbles along the way. See you in the next video.